Okay, so for today's video is magta-troubleshoot tayo ng inter-VLAN routing. So, may task dito na inter-VLAN routing is not functionally properly in these networks. Troubleshoot and fix the configuration errors. There is one misconfiguration per network device. Okay, so unahin natin dito sa ating left side na topology. So, meron tayo dito PC1, PC2, and then isang multi-layer switch. Okay, so ping muna natin if may connection. Ping 10.0 10. Ayan. Okay, so wala silang connection. Request timeout. So, ang gagawin natin, i-troubleshoot natin dito sa my switch 1. Okay, punta tayo sa CLI. Then, enable. Then, kung natin gagawin is SH IP int brief. Okay, so, kung makikita natin dito is, yung ating VLAN 1 and VLAN 20 is tama naman yung kanilang IP address, which is, yan yung subnet ng ating PC1 and then PC2, which is tama naman. And next na gagawin natin or titignan natin is SH run natin. Okay. VLAN interface fast Ethernet 01. Okay, so meron tayong nakitang mali dito. Okay, so yung fast Ethernet 01 natin is nakaano siya sa VLAN 11. Hindi VLAN 11 to. This is VLAN 10. So, yun yung isang mali. So, palitan natin. SH VLAN brief para mas makita nyo. Ayan. So, andito. Nasa VLAN 11 yung ating fast Ethernet 01 na dapat nasa VLAN 10. Okay. Figure natin yan. Connect and then int VLAN 10 int F01 then switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, so tignan ulit natin sa ating VLAN. Yan, nailipat na natin yung fast Ethernet 01 doon sa ating VLAN 10. So, delete natin yung yung VLAN 11. Exit. So, VLAN 11. Yan, then tingnan ulit natin. 2SH VLAN brief. Ayan, okay na siya. Then, try natin ulit mag-ping. If meron na silang connection. Ayun, meron na silang connection. Meron ng connection yung PC1 and PC2 natin. Ayan. Then, next naman na i-troubleshoot natin is itong ating isang topology. Meron tayong isang router dito, isang switch, then dalawang PC. PC3 and PC4. So, titignan natin dito. Ang unang-unang titignan natin is yung switch 1. Yan, meron tayong CLI. Okay, so enable SH in brief ulit. Okay. Ayan. SH run. VLAN 30 yung fast Ethernet 01 na fast Ethernet 01 natin is nasa VLAN 30. Okay. VLAN 30 siya, and then yung fast Ethernet 02 natin is VLAN 40. Okay. Baba natin. switch port mode access. Okay, so meron tayong isa dito na mali. Okay, so yung G01 port ng switch natin is dapat nakatrunk yan. So, itatrunk natin. 1FT int G01 yan. And switch port mode trunk. Yan. Yan ulit natin. Message run. Ayan, nakatrunk na siya guys. Ayan. Then, next naman is dito sa ating router. Click natin itong router. Ayan. Then, enable natin. Enable. Then, message run. Baba natin. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. Yung gigabit Ethernet 0/0.30 natin is encapsulation at 1Q30, tama. Then yung IP address niya is 10.0.0. Okay, so nakita na natin yung mali guys. Ito yan. Ito yung mali. Dapat itong IP address na to is dapat 10.0.3.1. Yan. So, yun lang naman yung mali. So, papalitan natin yan. Connect tayo. Then, int G00.30 encapsulation at 1Q30 and IP address 10.0.3.1 255.0. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Then, try nating pagpingin yung PC3 and PC4 natin. Ayan. Desktop command prompt. Then, ping 10.0.4.10. Ito yan. Ito yung 40 natin. Ping natin. Ayun. Karoon na siya ng connection guys. Ayan. Ayan. That's all. Thank you.